Hi, this is Lana from Hopping In, and if you're considering drop-in daycare but you're not sure what to expect, here's a few tips on using it successfully. If you don't have recommendations from friends, you can look at each daycare's website, Yelp, Facebook, and Google reviews. Get in touch with daycares and see if there's room. If they use Hopping In, you'll even be able to see their availability online and earn some tuition money back if you drop a spot. If you can, schedule a visit. If you think you're going to need drop-in daycare in the future, it's good to make a plan so you can review different daycares and find the right one. Most daycares today have an app to keep you up to date on your child's day and send messages if they need you. Ask about the center's app during the tour so you can set up the app in advance. Be open about the experience and ask all the questions you need. If a daycare center understands what your priorities are as a parent, they will appreciate it. If not, it's easy to keep looking with Hopping In. For more helpful advice, make sure you subscribe to our channel and check out our blog at hoppingin.com. Thank you for watching and see you soon.